Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram Save to Gallery on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Telegram app here. In this is window, we will just go down to found Telegram app here and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come here to next window and we will click here on force stop. Then we will click here on OK and we will click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on manage storage. Then we come here to this is window. We will go up. We will click here and up. Then we will click here on clear local and you just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe and see you in next video.